guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today I'm going to be making some pomegranate, dragon fruit and beetroot juice. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut my dragon fruits open. So I'm going to use two different types. So I'm going to remove the skin. I'm going to remove the skin of the white dragon fruit. So I'm going to be doing a mixture. And guys, of course, you know I'm going to be using my Covin juicer. Like this, I'm just gonna put the skins of the dragon fruit in a little white dish. So I think I'll just put these in my garden. They will eventually break down. So guys, I'm going to be slicing them just long way because I know this can go in the juicer just like this. I don't need to cut them up because this can go in easily. So here is my beetroot. I'm going to also peel the skin from it. You can leave the skin on, but I choose not to this time. And all my fruits are coming from the fridge, and it's so cold. They're feeling very cool in my hand. So guys, I'm gonna also add a lime or a lemon, whichever you want to call it. You can do lemon. These are the seeds of the dragon fruit. So guys, I'm gonna do my little cleanup and I'll get back to you. I'm going to cut this video. And guys, so you know, dragon fruit reduce the risk of diabetes, maintain blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of colon cancer, and it has vitamin C in it. So guys, I'm gonna start adding my fruits. I'm gonna add my dragon fruit. And that's my beetroot. This juice is very healthy for us, guys. It's good for our eyes and it fights aging also. So guys, I would love for you to try out this drink and tell me what you think about it and how did it taste, you know, how it tastes, because it tastes nice. It didn't have any sugar in it, guys. It's just a natural juice. It just tastes a little bit like beetroot. I could taste the pomegranate in there, you know, and the pomegranate helped to lower blood pressure also. So this juice is a super juice. So guys, I'm gonna add my pomegranate now. A few of my seeds just fall from my hand, but nevertheless I'm getting everything in it, the machine. You know, when you have your camera close up, it makes my hand look fat, but my hand is not fat. You know, guys, I know, you know, you guys will like this video. Give me a comment, share with a friend. Look at my hand, guys. You can see how red everything looks. I'm going to change my gloves now. So guys, the dragon fruit is also good for digestion and it is good for your heart. So guys, I'm getting ready to pour my juice out. So here we go. So guys, I'm going to turn on the juicer so it gets to pump out most of the juice as because juice is coming out of the machine, guys. So I turn it on to get everything out, because you don't want to have this juice all up in the machine, you know, this nice good juice, and you don't want to wash it down the sink. So guys, I'm gonna pour out my drink. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow. So guys, there you go. That's my pomegranate, beetroot, lemon, and dragon fruit drink. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share with a friend. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now. And guys, if you want, just hit the join button and give me full support on this channel. Thank you all again. Have a wonderful weekend. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye for now.